Hey, what's up? John Shred here, and today I'm going to replace the battery in this APC Back-UPS Pro 1500. It's a pretty common, larger size 1500 VA battery backup. I picked this guy up used, I don't know, maybe a year and a half ago, but I realized lately it's starting to give me some troubles. You can't really see it too well on the screen. The screen must not be working too well either, but every few seconds it flips over to battery regardless if there's load or not. I decided I'm like, okay, well, it's giving me issues. I don't want to buy a whole new unit. These units themselves are about, I don't know, $200 US, $250 US, brand new. And I'd rather just replace the battery. You've seen some of my other videos here with the last APC device that I replaced the battery. I had such a hard time. It was so complicated with this tiny little 420, 430 VA unit. I said, just throw the thing out and buy yourself a new one. Now, when looking at Amazon on the reviews, trying to find batteries for this guy, they said that the replacement was super quick and easy. So let's find out and see if it is. First thing first, unplug the darn thing. Okay, so you can see it's kicked in right away. You can't really see it on the screen, but the battery has nothing. Like, there's usually some bars that say how much battery it has, and it's literally at the lowest point. It definitely does not like it. So next thing is turn the device off. Ta-da. Let's figure out how to open these. Most of the time, it's the front panel that comes off. I am figuring this out live just so we can see how long it does take. Oh. There are these two clips on top. I don't know what they do. I don't think. Oh. Ta-da! Magic. Okay, cool. I suppose you could read some instructions, but that's probably why you're watching this video. Let's just figure it out together. Okay. The bottom is where it isn't on the front. I was wrong. It just, you push in on the little two tabs right here and slide it back. Okay, see here, two batteries with tabs. What does the tab say? It says lift this tab and pull. Okay, I think. Okay, large battery. Oh wow, it actually, so really cool. The last and other battery backups I've done, you have to reconnect the cable. I actually grabbed a pair of needle-nose pliers just because I was having to reconnect them. On this one, there is almost like a hot swap port on the bottom that the battery slid into. Yeah, can you see that way? Yeah, the battery just slid into that. I didn't have to disconnect anything. That's super cool. Okay, now we're talking. Where did I get my batteries, you ask? I Googled it like anyone else, and I came up with a company, APC Battery Center. I'm in Canada, I'm not sure. I think they're local to Toronto, which is cool. I haven't dealt with them. They don't know I'm doing this video, so let's find out if it was, it was great. I paid in Canadian, it was about $75 for the batteries themselves, and then 25 bucks for shipping. I did look at Amazon to see if I could find something with Prime included. It actually came to the exact same price of about $100 Canadian for the battery replacement. And I thought to myself, I'd much rather support local Toronto company than Amazon. I buy enough stuff from them. So yeah, let's see how this experience is. Okay, looks like it's well wrapped. Okay, look at it. It actually has instructions how to open this first. It shows you right on the battery how to slide that open and slide it in. And on the bottom, it already has a lovely connector to slap it in. So, super cool. I'm curious. I wasn't really paying attention to see which side, and was it compatible both ways. My question is, does it go in this way or does it go in this way? That's it. It's in. It went in really nice and easy. Case back on. Ta-da. Flip it. Okay, if that was, ooh, I definitely broke something. Not sure what that was. Okay, cool. All right, let's plug it back in. And let's turn her on. It's testing the battery. So I don't see any difference. That bar that I was telling you about that has no, so it could be the device is pooched, which would suck, but I can honestly say that was the easiest battery backup replacement I have ever done. It looks like it was an original APC battery that was in the, I don't know if it was the original one. There's definitely some black electrical tape, which I'm not sure if that's standard from APC, so who knows how old those batteries were. Either way, I'm gonna try this out. Hopefully this helps you replace the battery with your unit. And yeah, if it helped, leave a comment down below and let me know how easy it was. Thanks, see you there. Till the next one.